Hello, and thanks for watching this Cloud9 ERP Solutions video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. In this video of Acumatica 2025 R2, we're going to talk about how you can create cases for your vendors now. So the case management system is great. It allows you to track support issues for customers. And you can create cases and track the detailed information about why you created the case. You can track the activities, whether they're email or internal notes. You can even track time. But now you can also track cases for vendors. So traditionally, when you create a case and you go up here and select, it just shows business accounts associated with customers. And more recently, within the last year, you can actually do internal cases. So you can find, for example, contacts within your company. But now you can also create cases for vendors. And it all starts at the case class. So when you create a case, you select the case class. Right here, it's a billing question, for example, in this particular case. But if we go over to our case classes, and let's say we create a new one, and we call it vendor request. Maybe it's a vendor billing issue or something like that. You'll notice a new checkbox called require vendor. So when you select this and you go to create a case, the business account lookup will show business accounts that have either the vendor or the customer, depending upon the case class. So now if we check both, require customer and vendor, maybe the case class spans across vendors and customers, then in that case, you'll need to have types that are vendor and customer, or customer and vendor, in order to see it in the list here. But if we just create this case class for vendors only, and we save it, and then we come over here for our new case, we'll choose vendor request, and we do a lookup, you'll see just vendors here. And again, if I were to change this case class to also require customers, back to what we talked about, if I don't require a customer or a vendor and I require a contact, then you can create an internal case. It'll reflect employees under the contacts. But if we select customers and vendors and hit the save button, and we'll just go back here, start over, we'll pick vendor request. And when we do a lookup, you'll notice business accounts is empty because we don't have any business accounts that are customer and vendor. So if we go to business accounts, and we'll just select a vendor here to modify. We could have done it through a customer also, but we'll extend this vendor as a customer also. And when you extend a business account as a customer or a vendor, it brings up the customer profile, which gives you a chance to select any kind of financial information. Financial information is specific to customers and vendors, where it's not specific just a business account. So in order to extend this as a customer, we can go in here and make some changes. We can also select, for example, the specific customer class, but we'll hit the save button here.
Before I continue, only 15% of you are subscribed. Hit that subscribe button now to get notified about new videos and events.
And you'll notice any kind of information that's required, it'll ask us. So in this case, we're asking it to automatically email out customer invoices. And the only way to do that is to actually have an email address. So we'll put the email address in there, save it. And now if we go back to our business account, and to do that, we can hit view account. You can now see the type is customer and vendor. So once again, if we go back to our cases and we refresh, you now see a business account that includes customers and vendors. Again, that's because we chose customer and vendors under case classes. So now we can continue on. This could be a billing question. And we can start the case. Vendor has a question about an invoice. And then you can go through and you can assign the case to maybe somebody in accounts payable. So that's cases now for vendors. Under case classes, you can check off the require vendor. So thanks so much for watching this video. Hopefully you found it useful. And if you did, please click the like button. And if you have any questions about this or anything else Acumatica, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again and have a great day.